Welcome back, chemistry fans. Today we are going to do our homework, the first part of topic 2. It's dealing with electron configuration. Let's jump into it so that you can see how you are maybe needing some help with it. So here we are. First one, it's potassium, sulfur, and some other element. So on potassium, we got to go find out what its element is. So let me pull up a periodic table here. And first off, we will put it right up next to a periodic table so it's a little bit easier for us to figure out. That is not the one I wanted, so let's move that back down to the bottom here. Let's try this again. Down here, now I'll move that all the way up to the periodic table so we can utilize it. All right, potassium. Potassium is over here on the left side of our periodic table. It is element number 19. So let me erase that. Why is nothing working? All right. Potassium is over here, element number 19. All right, so how many electrons does it have is the question on each one of the energy levels. Now we could do this through electron configuration, or what we could do is we could say, oh, on the first energy level going across here, there are 2. On the second energy level, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On the third, we see the same thing. And then finally, we come down to the fourth energy level and we'd see only 1 for potassium. Okay, so let's jump back now to the actual worksheet where I swore I put it here. Here it is. So potassium, how many are on each one of those energy levels? There would be 2, 8, 8, and 1. And if you add all those numbers together, it comes to 19. Okay, now it's asking for sulfur. So sulfur is element number 16 over here on the right-hand side of our periodic table. So let's jump over to it. Let me change my pen color so you can actually see it. Sulfur is right here. So we're looking for 16. Now this is going to require that we do our electron configuration. Now, what we could do is we could steal from something that's given to us. That's a fair way to go about this. Or we could build the pyramid of love, where we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're not going to need all those. But if we go through these the way that we should, it will guide us to where we need to be for element number 16. And we would have to know that on these, the S's come first. So that's 1s2 in this first arrow, has a maximum of 2. Then we go to the second arrow, 2s2. Then we start up here and we get to 2p6. We're at 10 now. That's not 16. So we got to continue with this arrow to 3s2. Then we're going to come up here. Now I am at element number 12. That means I only need 4 more. Even though it could be 3p6, we don't need all those because that would be too many. So it's only going to end up being 3p4, and that would give us the 16 that is the total for sulfur. Now I could have just done that by looking at this electron configuration and cutting off what I needed. All right, here we go. 2, 4, 6, that's 10. 2, 6, another 2, that's 10. So I'm looking for element number 20. What element is number 20? It is on the periodic table, it is calcium. So that is very quick. And that, my friends, is your homework for this night. So thank you very kindly. I will talk with you again soon. Bye-bye.